Hello viewers, welcome back to Gadgets Compare. In this video today we compare three best smartphones, which is Huawei P60 versus Huawei P60 Art versus Huawei P60 Pro. So let's see the full video. Display, display type, display size, resolution, screen to body ratio, aspect ratio, pixel density, always on display, refresh rate, has colors, screen protection, body design, body weight, body height, body width, body thickness, water resistant, SIM slot, storage, has RAM, has memory, storage type, card slot, platform, has chipset, has processor, has graphic unit, operating system, main camera, main camera megapixel, second camera megapixel, third camera megapixel, LED flash, HDR camera, panorama, video records, selfie camera, selfie camera megapixel, HDR and panorama, video records, connectivity, Wi-Fi version, Bluetooth version, GPS L1 plus L5, GLONASS, Galileo, BDS, has OTG, NFC, infrared port, radio, Wi-Fi direct, dual band, USB connection, sensor feature, fingerprint, accelerometer, gyroscope, compass, proximity, color spectrum, battery, battery type, battery capacity, battery charger, sound feature, loudspeaker, 3.5 mm jack, launch, launch date, market status, price, price USD. Thanks for watching. Please like, share and make sure to subscribe Gadgets Compare.